Ano yan? Marang! Parang utak.
Bibi, busy means blessing. And then, I remember that I actually hit my head in the...
Nag-makeup ako pero naiyak na naman ako.
Paano ka ha?
Nagbalik, baby na ha?
Last day.
And since it's our last day, we wanted to make the most out of it.
First time namin na kami dalawa na maghanap ng taxi dito.
Ay, ayaw nila. Walang pumapatid sa amin.
Nakasakay na kami.
We couldn't get a taxi, so we went on a Jeep. As you can see, there is no door in the front seat of the jeepney, so I had to cling onto one of the handles to make sure that I do not fly off. I do have a seatbelt, but the seatbelt was not the proper seatbelt, didn't have a lock, and then after this Jeep, we had to get a second Jeep to get to our destination.
Nauntog na naman ako.
Our first agenda is to experience watching a movie in the cinema once again here in the Philippines, and the movie of choice is Rewind by Marian Rivera and Dingdong Dantes. Security was tight, so they took my camera away.
Meron kaming nakita, a lost dinosaur. Big Boss!
Sino yan?
Phonics Production! Kakauwi lang po namin. Pag-uwi na.
Kami rin.
Saan ka galing?
Indian.
Ba't ka nagpili nito?
Yun.
Ano, marang. May marang. Marang ang kakainin
Yung
natin.
nakasilupin.
Favorito ko ito.
Ito digos.
Hindi ko alam kung ano unang kong kakainin. Ay, ang sarap nito. Grabe. Favorito ko talaga ito. Pero gabi kain namin ni Mamang nito sa Dumaguete.
Meron ito.
Meron.
Hindi ko din galing ba? Tapos kumain pa kami doon ng buko.
Sino kasama nyo?
Tatlo lang kami.
Parang
Yung marang o. Pinog.
Bakit ko pala tawag dito?
Oo.
Ay!
Binili ko talaga yan para
Yan. Oo.
Parang hirap. Para may arthritis man ako.
Look.
Wow!
Tama na. Bigyan mo muna.
Ay, ang sarap tignan. This is marang.
Ano yan?
Marang!
Parang utak.
Ano?
Parang utak. Yan, di ba?
Nalala mo yung virus na...
Ay, ang sarap! Nakinapahan ko lang kinakain to. Parang, bubukain niyo po to.
Ay, sorry.
Anyway, kwento ko lang sa inyo kung ano nangyari dun sa Rewind. Ayaw ko namang spoilers, pero moral of the story, huwag kayo magloko sa asawa ninyo. Yun lang yun. Huwag kayo magloko sa asawa ninyo para iwas drama, iwas disgrasya.
This is my absolute favorite, just sitting down and eating fruit.
Gusto nilang umalis, gusto ko pa kumain naman.
Beko.
Thank you dito.
Where are we, me?
Big Boss Buffet.
And then we visited our friend's restaurant, which is called Big Boss Buffet in Puro 4, Duterte Street, San Francisco, Panabo in Philippines.
Ang busy!
Anong comment mo?
Ang daming tao! Bibi, busy means blessing. Penal, pinolan.
I love the place because it feels really cozy and homey and very comfortable. And there's a lot to see. There's a lot of food choices to pick from. It's very budget friendly, affordable. Now these last few viands are my favorite one. They tasted so delicious. The food is great. You get what you paid for. So it's truly worth it. I really like the crispy chicken as well, and the juices is so good when you mix them together, and they have a lot of desserts that were just heavenly. And then in a few minutes, our family arrived. Guys, I love this pizza because it has Eden cheese and pineapple. It just tastes so gorgeous. And then Kuya Mark stopped over this really gorgeous tourist spot so that we could take pictures and look at the lights.
At the moment, I do have a headache, and then I remember that I actually hit my head in the Jeep earlier, so I don't know if it's connected or not. Kind of migraine kind of headache. we're trying to pack the bags because tomorrow we're leaving for Manila. I'm actually very, very sad. But at the same time, I don't have time to be sad because there's a lot to be done and I need to sleep. So, see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Leaving Davao time. Okay, kagabi, hindi na ako makapagkwenta ng maayos kagabi ko ano talaga nangyari. Kasi masakit na talaga yung ulcers ko. Wait nga. Saan ko ba kayo lalapag? Sobrang ganda ng movie. Ang ganda ng rewind talaga. Nakakaiyak. Grabe talaga yung iyak naming dalawa. Nag-iiyakan kaming dalawa on our own. Tapos kapag nagtinginan kaming ganyan, bigla kami magtatawanan. You know what's amazing about it? Meron silang chips, hot dogs, drinks, popcorn. Ang sarap ng popcorn nila and it's only a plain flavor. They have cheese flavor popcorn, different flavors, sour cream. I saw that. Yeah, but they weren't available, so that kind of sucked. Yeah, there's guards to check your stuff. Hindi na ako makapag-review kahapon dahil sobrang sakit na ng ulo ko. Natulog na ako sa car ni Kuya Mark. Kagabi si Anjun na-cut, hindi ko na-show. Content material sana. Pakita mo yung finger mo.
What happened was, Febby was looking for the Biogesic, and I was rushing, trying to look inside my bag. There's like a razor in my bag, specifically for my mustache, going into my bag like that there. Then I cut myself, and I cut myself right here.
It's actually very, very deep. I seen it. He was looking at his finger like this, and he was like slowly shaking. And all I could think about is him staining the rug.
So I'm like, "Are you okay? No,
yeah.
D, you're spilling your blood all over the place. Do you mind?"
Yeah. That's what happened when you've been together for 15 years and you just know each other too well. He's just overreacting. His usual self.
Over my wounds again.
Nag-makeup ako pero naiyak na naman ako kasi naalala ko naman yung palabas na pinanood namin. Guys, hindi ko pala napakita sa inyo kung ano yung dati kong old wardrobe nung bata pa ako.
Dati kong old wardrobe pa.
So, ito yun. May mga pictures ako. Mahilig talaga ako sa Hello Kitty, sa Winnie the Pooh, sa Disney talaga. As in, Barbie, ganyan. Yung mahilig ko mga Disney princess. Ito, iiwan namin to dito. Pwede lang sana magdala sa Erlen. Ginawa ko yun.
Let's see how many magazines I can eat, guys. This is my absolute favorite.
Pahabol pang sikamas niya. Oh no, I tasted this before.
Sarap alansones.
Marang naman. Next. Oh, sakit tayo dito. Para ako nag-arthritis. Oh, wow.
Sa parang.
Masa mo gamot sa diabetes ito?
Maka-diabetic.
Ito, Peb. Pwede ito lutuin. Parang gawin mong mani. Grabe katamis.
Ang sarap ng marang. Ito, mamiss ko. Marang.
Ay, ang sarap kung tinang kumakain ng marang. Ano siya
Sinelas ka. Uy! Kala mo, gaapa ka sa tiles? Wala pa. Durog pa yan. Nagkasakit pala yun siya.
Kita?
Saka si RR, absent na 2 araw. Kasi di ba naulanan yung pag-ano ninyo?
Kasalanan po pala natin. Hindi, tsaka kami, wala siyang tulog. So imagine mo, bumaba yung immune system niya. Tapos ganun pa yung mga, yung tipong nag-ano pa.
Oo, magkasakit ka talaga.
Magkakasakit ka talaga. Pero, fair play to him.
Kahit sa Rose naman,
sumama pa.
sabi, gitakigan.
Parang trangkasa sa nag-ano. Si Pepe, oh, sarap, gusto ko to. Marami sumasama sa akin. Siguro kasi kahapon kasi, kumakain ako nito, kumakain ako nito, kumakain ako nito.
Mix na.
Kain ka na ng
Mangustin, marang,
Wala pang star.
durian.
Not a fan of durian. It's fine. I don't mind the smell.
Ay, ayoko talaga. Pero magkait ako nag-hindi na durian.
Ayun.
Pero yung fruit talaga, hindi ko talaga maano.
Kinain ko siya. Parang meron siyang creamy part na parang bang, ano yan? Parang, yung creamy part. Parang,
Nan mo, meron na reaction.
hindi, pero kaya ko siya.
Tapos mine.
Talaga, minsan.
Sorry, filming.
Sige lang, kuya.
Okay lang yung gusto mo.
Show your daddy figure.
Nakita yung client daw kasi.
Hindi tayo. Gusto ko talaga itong lansones, sweet.
Di ba Tagalog ito gusto?
Hindi naman sa inyo gusto. Marang mo lansones.
Lahat siya, hindi ako makapagpili. I like all of it.
Ay, mas gusto ko.
Meron kasing latunis na makasin talaga, lalo na yung, alam kong ano yung pinakamasarap na latunis. Yung tinatawag nila na lungkong. Malalaki siya, pero pag kinain mo, yung liso niya maliliit.
Siguro sa nilagay ko.
Ang ina.
Payong ko dito.
Ilang kilo?
Ang init.
Bye, Rose.
See you dito.
Say goodbye, bye-bye.
Ay, see you again. Pag kumenta ko.
Basta, usapan namin. May pustahan kami nun dyan, ha?
Ay, kasi dito, Ruth. Ay, magpaano ka, ha?
Balik, baby na ha?
Keep healthy, ha?
Yeah.
Ako din, I will try.
Baka pagtawag mo sa kanya, Rose pa rin.
Cheers kayo, no? Kita. Ingat kayo. Thank you sa lahat, kuya. Anyway, kumakain ako ng adobo. Ganito yung kanilang portion. Ang rice nila.
Parang friends. Patagal sa akin.
Uy, yung ano, yung... Ganyan talaga style talaga yan. Sarap nilang gumawa ng adobo dito.
Okay na kayo.
Start ka na ba? Sipon ko.
Merong stranger sa tabi namin. Pinasaran niya kami ng pansit.
Pinopormahan si ma'am.
Maganda daw kasi si Mo, ma.
Pinopormahan si ma'am. Tinanong yung number kay Tita Nel pa.
Milkshake na naman tayo. Ay, hindi pala. Mango shake.
Hindi ko lang, hindi ko kaya mo. Ano sa mga talaga?
Lame! Ay, babayan daw niyang stranger yung amin kinain. Ay,
Pogi
stranger!
points kay mami yan.
Tetnak yung mamong ko. Yun o. Haba ng hair mo, mom.
Pinopormahan yung mami namin. Dadaan mo na kayo sa amin.
Okay, guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo dahil nakatulog ako dito. Nakahilata ako dito. Yun yung ulan ko. Na-delay yung flight namin. Supposedly 1:30 yung flight namin. Naging 2:35. Including sa tita ko. Buti lang kasi nagkasabay na kami. So basically kanina, may nakita akong mga boxes of like Jollibee food. And I was like, I can see food from there. I wonder if they're giving away like free food because they delayed their flight. And I was right.
With regards to food, your instinct is always on point.
I just knew. Jollibee is the key. Masaya ako na may Jollibee.